Next point, that is nomenclature. Then there are two systems as usual, that is nomenclature. First one is common name system and second one IUPAC system. In nomenclature there are two systems. First one common name system, first one common names system and second one IUPAC system. IUPAC system. In common name system, these are named as alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. That is, these are derived as alkyl derivative of, that is followed by halogen atom. In common names, these are derived as alkyl derivative of halogen derivative. That is halides. Suppose here chlorine atom, then named as chloride. Suppose in halogen derivative bromine atom, named as bromide. If there are iodine atom, named as iodide. In this way, in common name system, remember only this word. This is most important word. That is alkyl halides. Alkyl halides, you remember this word, alkyl halides. Then by this word, you easily name any common name, any compounds of halogen derivative in common name system. For example, suppose CH3Cl. CH3Cl. In this, which is alkyl group? This is alkyl group. What is name of this alkyl group? That is methyl. Then write first here methyl. And which is halogen atom? Which is halide group here? There is chlorine atom. Hence write here chloride. Methyl chloride. In this way, there is very simple to write the common name of this alkyl halide. This alkyl halide, this may be normal, iso or neo or primary, secondary and tertiary. Whether this alkyl group is normal, iso, neo, primary, secondary and tertiary. Then write prefix to this alkyl group. For example, suppose CH3, CH3Cl. CH3Cl. Name of this compound, that is isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride means that is this alkyl group. Which is alkyl group in this compound? This CH3CHCl. This is alkyl group. Name of this alkyl. This is not in a straight chain. This is on second carbon there is CH3 group. This is iso group. Hence write here isopropyl and chlorine group is attached here. Hence name of this compound is isopropyl chloride. Then suppose second example, that is CH2Cl. What is name of this compound? Again, in this compound, this is iso group. Iso group. That means CH3CH3. If on second carbon atom there is one methyl branch, this is always called as iso group. If on second carbon atom there is two methyl branches, these are called as neo group. In this compound there are 4 carbon atom. Hence it is derivative of butyl. Which alkyl group? Butyl. This is derivative of butyl. But again on second carbon atom one methyl branch, hence name of this compound is isobutyl chloride. Name of this compound is isobutyl chloride. The name of this compound is isobutyl chloride because it contains 4 carbon atom. Then question always asked in competitive exam, that is isobutyl chloride is dash dash dash. First objective primary alkyl halide, second one secondary alkyl halide, third one tertiary alkyl halide and fourth one quaternary alkyl halide. This question is always ask in competitive exam, that is this isobutyl chloride is which type of, that is whether it is primary, secondary or tertiary. In this isobutyl chloride, answer of this compound is primary. Answer of this compound is primary alkyl halide. This isobutyl chloride, it is a primary alkyl halide and not secondary. As it on second carbon atom there is CH3 group, but this is not secondary alkyl halide because this chlorine atom is attached to primary carbon atom. This chlorine atom or halogen atom is attached to this carbon atom. This carbon atom is first degree carbon atom, that is primary carbon atom and not secondary. This is confusing question. This is confusing question, that is isobutyl chloride is dash dash dash. First objective is primary, second objective is secondary, third is tertiary and fourth is quaternary. Then which is correct here? First one is correct, that is isobutyl chloride is a primary alkyl halide. In this way, there is MCQs asked on the basis of this nomenclature. Then suppose next example, that is suppose CH3, 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 CH2, Cl. Then what is common name of this compound? In this compound, it contains this alkyl group. How many carbon atoms in alkyl group? That is 5 carbon atoms. Hence, it is derivative of which alkyl? Pentyl. That is, alkyl group is pentyl as it contains 5 carbon atom. In common name system, that is, count all these carbon atoms. It contains 5 carbon atom. It is derivative of pentyl. It is alkyl group is pentyl. Pentyl chloride. Name of this compound is pentyl chloride. But not only pentyl chloride, that is neopentyl chloride. Common name of this compound is neopentyl chloride. Neopentyl means, suppose this is carbon number second, this is carbon number first, this is carbon number second. On this second carbon atom, there are 2 CH3 group, 2 methyl groups are bonded here or attached here. Hence, name of this compound is neo. As on second carbon atom, there are 2 methyl branches. Hence, write here neo. This is neo group. And as it contains 5 carbon atom, name of this compound is neopentyl chloride. Name of this compound is neopentyl chloride. Again, this neopentyl chloride. Also, question is asked here. Neopentyl chloride is dash dash dash. First objective is primary alkyl halide. Second objective is secondary alkyl halide. Third objective is tertiary alkyl halide. And fourth objective is quaternary alkyl halides. Again, this chlorine atom is attached to this primary carbon atom or first degree carbon atom. This chlorine atom is attached to primary carbon atom or first degree carbon atom. Again, answer is primary alkyl halide and not tertiary alkyl halide. This problem is also confusing. That is, at on second carbon atom 3 branches. Someone write answer here tertiary, but this is wrong. This is not a tertiary alkyl halide, but this is also primary alkyl halide. This carbon atom is quaternary carbon atom. Hence, not answer is quaternary. Not quaternary as well as tertiary. What is definition of primary alkyl halides? If halogen atom is attached to primary carbon atom, this is called as primary alkyl halide. This chlorine atom is attached to this carbon atom, that is primary carbon atom. Hence, name of this compound is this type of, that is neopentyl chloride is, that is primary alkyl halides. In this way, there are questions asked on the basis of this common name system or common names of alkyl halides. The next one, that is IUPAC system. Next one, IUPAC system. In the IUPAC system, common names are write as haloalkanes. Aliphatic compounds are named as haloalkanes. haloalkanes, and aromatic compounds are named as haloarenes. Haloarenes, that is aliphatic compounds named as haloalkanes, then haloalkenes, then haloarenes, alkynes, etc. That means hydrocarbons are haloalkanes, haloalkenes and haloalkynes. That means if halogen atoms attach to alkane, these are named as haloalkanes. If halogen atoms attach to alkene, then it is called as haloalkenes. And if halogen atoms attach to alkynes, these are called as haloalkynes. Then there are rules, that is which rules? Which are already studied in 11th standard, that is rules of alkanes. Rules of alkanes, these are most important for the nomenclature of any organic compounds. Any organic compounds that is also in alkyl halides. These rules are important for nomenclature of these alkyl halides. Then first rule, that is select longest continuous carbon chain which containing halogen atom. Which containing halogen atoms. Then write numbers from that end which is having nearer to halogen atom. Write the number of branch, selected branch to that from that end which is nearer from alkyl halides, that is halogen atoms. In this way, there are rules for alkanes, these are important for this, that is haloalkanes, haloalkenes and haloalkynes. Then haloarenes, these are in haloarenes, that is divalent dihalogen compound. In dihalogen compound, in haloarenes, these are right prefix. Right prefix in common names, that is suppose at 1,2 position, this right prefix ortho or simply O. Then if substituents at 1,3 position, then write prefix here meta or simply M. And if substituent at 1,4 position, then write prefix, that is para, that is P. In this way, in haloarenes, in haloarenes in dihalogen compounds, these are right numbers 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4 in IUPAC system. And in common name system, write here prefix ortho, meta and para or simply O, M and P. In this way, there is a IUPAC nomenclature. Then some example of this IUPAC nomenclature.